how my mom didn't make it. You didn't add the little orange carrots on top with the frosting.
It's my husband's birthday tomorrow, and he has hated every cake I've made him in the 7 years we've been together. Since we now live close to his mom, I decided to make his favorite cake, the one she's been making for him since he was a little boy. Grandma's here! I asked her to stop by and drop off the recipe. Thank you!
You're welcome.
I went shopping with the boys and picked up all the ingredients. Everything came to about $50. This cake is taking me about 3 days to make. I'm following her recipe exactly, hoping this is the year I finally get it right and make him happy. Are we gonna bake a cake for who?
It has a big flower bowl.
Yep.
Big.
Did you poop again? Come on!
What is this for? That's for to open it.
Yeah.
Hello guys. Hello team. One cup.
How many eggs do we need? Julian, you can't touch nothing, okay?
Mommy, that's so good.
That's so good. Thank you.
It's like a round circle.
Really? Try. Cake.
That's what's so fast.
Thank you, Daddy. Cake. Cake. It smells like cinnamon. It smells like syrup. Wow. Mix. Oh, slowly, Daddy.
I feel like carrot cake.
Have you ever tried it?
No.
Have you ever tried carrot cake? So, how would you know if you don't like it? Do you want to do it? Nope.
Like an egg, please.
Good.
I
Go wash your hands, Daddy.
That's gonna be hot.
Yep. This is Daddy's favorite cake.
Hey, I like my rainbow cake.
Oh, you do?
I like it. It's so yummy and sweet.
It's so yummy and sweet.
And sweeter. Look on my cloth. Dump it in.
Boom. Yeah, so we're gonna put.
That's buttermilk.
Yeah.
I can drink it.
You wanna try?
No.
Take it.
It's gonna taste like milk.
Are you sure this wasn't? Okay.
It's milk?
Was this open? Did your dad open this? Yeah, I think this was open already. This was already opened. Well, hopefully the cake turns out good.
Yeah. I don't like that.
You don't like it? You want me to take this away and go mix it over there?
Yes.
I'm gonna go mix this over there, okay? Yes.
It's gonna be so loud.
I know.
I'm gonna close my ears. That's so loud. So loud. So loud, mommy. So loud.
So loud, I'm sorry.
Hey, Julian, I have fun. Da-da. Let's bash. You know.
We have to add this, okay? So can you help me add this?
What?
This, so I'm gonna take it away.
I'm gonna take it away and mix it again.
Can I have that, please? Do you want to add it?
The hunt here. Mommy, I got here. This. Alright.
Carrots.
Sorry.
Yeah, we're making carrot cake. Take.
It's like medicine.
Like medicine?
Like medicine when you sleep. It smells so yummy seeds.
Smells really yummy and sweet.
Joanne, you're not helping. I'm always helping my mommy.
Did you poop? Okay, I'll go change you.
Number 10.
Okay, Davin, I'm back. I'm gonna wash my hands. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, back to the cake. Julian got a diaper change. Hey, dump it in.
Okay. No cheese goggles.
Davin,
That's like rice.
dump this in.
That cheese.
Pecans.
That's not rice.
You wanna try it? Jen, you wanna try?
Yes. Oh, this.
Davin, you wanna try?
Good.
Is it good?
Good.
You dump that in.
I'm putting myself on you.
You want more?
Not me. I want to have more too. I did it.
Yeah.
Is it small?
Yeah. Bake for 25 minutes.
Mommy, can I have a bowl? Some of those.
Okay.
Okay. Julian, Mommy's baking a milkshake. No?
Siri, set timer for 25 minutes.
1 pound, a cup of sugar, a strawberry cake to mine. Mix. Clean.
I'm gonna put it like this, and you take this one and just spread it, okay?
Spread it.
See that?
This one.
Yeah, try it. Try it, Abby. Don't put it back over here, okay? When you're done, let me know so I can go rinse it out, okay?
Spread the cake. Me. Ooh, a cake, yummy.
A cake for you. Yummy. A cake for me.
I'm saying that.
Oh, I said that? I'm being silly.
you just taking your birthday fun.
Yeah, I'm just having birthday fun.
Yummy.
Davin, we did so good. You are a good helper. Thank you, Davin. High five. We did a very good job. Cake is done. Let's close it up. No, careful, that's glass. All done.
Let's try some.
You want to try some?
It's
It's high. Can you help me open the fridge, please?
Welcome to the mine. I love you.
Guys, I'm gonna get the cake out and set it on the table so when my husband wakes up, surprise. Ooh, look at that. Babe,
What is that?
you awake?
Did my mom make a cake?
I
Who made
made
it?
I did it myself. Your mom's recipe. Babe, come on, set it on the table. Happy birthday, baby.
Babe, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Turn the light on, please. Whoa. Yeah, happy birthday.
You sure my mom didn't make it?
No, I used your mom's recipe. She dropped it off 2 days ago.
I can tell my mom didn't make it. You didn't add the little orange carrots on top with the frosting.